Hi loves, welcome back. So I'm gonna be making a very weird hairstyle, or rather a weird color of hairstyle. You guys have seen the color from the beginning of this video. Yeah, literally that's what I'll be doing today. So I will start off by brushing out my hair. My hair has been cleaned, moisturized, all that shit. I did it. Okay, so I'll gently brush out my hair, then I'll start parting. But before that, let me show you guys, few of the items I'll be using in styling this hair. First, I have my braiding extension, which is in the color pink, but is an ombre hair. So it has this white end, or is that metallic or white? I don't know. Yeah, and it came in 7 bundles, okay, in a pack, which is quite a lot, to be honest. So I'll just start arranging them on my braiding rack. So I'll start sectioning them and putting them onto my braiding rack, because I'll be making it in form of like a knotless braid. So you guys know how knotless braid works. I'll be putting in braids as intervals. So to make the work easy for me, I decided to put to pre-section the hair, so when I start braiding, I wouldn't struggle to it. And I also apply a grease or gel something on the braid so it can easily part. Okay, you can use hair cream for this, you can use conditioner for this, but I use a grease something. So right now, let's begin. So I'll just pack my hair out so it doesn't get in the way by the time I start sectioning. So I already began. As you guys can see, it was getting difficult when I was trying to do it on camera, so I just had to figure that out off camera. And here is what I've done so far. So I will start off by braiding with my natural hair. I will do that for like 2 steps, and then I will add I will just pick a strand of the extension, put that on, all the 360 that that you do with knotless braids. I don't even know where to begin with explaining that, but basically all there is to do with knotless braid, I just add extensions at intervals. I just braid for a while, a little bit. To be honest, this was not really uniform, because I mean, I'm doing it myself, so it was really not uniform. For some of them, I added extensions up to like 3 times, or thereabouts, while for others I added extensions up to 4 times, and some others maybe like 2 times. So like I said, it wasn't really uniform, so I just braid that out. And there we have it, first row done. Moving on to the second row, I use my ear as as a guide in parting out the line for the second row. And when you're making this, I even forgot to mention, when you're styling your hair yourself, you need this 360 mirror. Like, I can't overemphasize this at all. You need a 360 mirror. Some persons use 2 mirror, one in the front, one in the back. For that, I have tried that out a couple of times, and it was still kind of difficult, even though I have done quite a number of hairstyles by using 2 mirrors, one in the front, one in the back. But trust me, a 360 mirror is a lifesaver. Okay, when you are in the business of styling your hair yourself, you need a 360 mirror. Okay, so this is the second row, and I am doing my thing. To be honest, I'm not gonna be doing lots of explanation with this video. I'm just gonna allow you guys to see what I'm doing. For the third row, I started off for the front, like from the front, top of my ear. I'm not going for a small size. I don't know what to call this size of knotless braid I am doing here. I don't know what to call it. I don't know what to call it. So you guys should just enjoy the process, watch through the process, and I'll talk when it be. finally, you all, I am done with the back. I am done with the hassle that went on with the back. Trust me, this was not easy at all. It might look easy, but this was a real struggle. But thankfully, we are now at the front. So I took more extensions, prepped that, you know, and started braiding again. Okay, you guys know how I'm doing it. You know, start off with my natural hair first before I start adding extensions bit by bit, little by little, when necessary. Okay, yeah, so just watch. Yeah, the excitement that comes with being on the last braid. In fact, everyone experiences this, even when someone else is braiding your hair. Like, once you're on that last piece, once you are there, the excitement is usually on another level. So just imagine me after all the struggle I went through in putting this whole thing, you see right here, together, and finally I'm on the last piece. Nah. I just couldn't contain my excitement. I just had to cut the whole dance down. But trust me, I danced. Anyways, I am doing all the 360 that I've been doing so far, and still enjoying my dance. So still dancing, because I mean, we are on the last piece. We are on the last piece, and this hair took eternity. Felt like eternity. Don't worry, I'm gonna tell you guys how many hours I spent in styling this hair. Don't worry, we still have a few more steps to go, like trimming, dipping in hot water. So just stick around and we are done. Guys, this hair, even though I made it myself, I felt so much pain. Okay, well, not so much. I felt pain. I felt it. Anyways, here is me dipping the hair in hot water. Guys, I was trying so hard to be extremely careful, because that's hot water, for crying out loud. And by the way, I had to take my shower before doing all this, you know, dipping in hot water tinny. So once I am done with that, I can just make up my face and review this hairstyle. That's why I'm kind of in a different outfit. And guys, look at your baby girl. Check me out now. So I'm applying some mousse on the hair just to make it more sleek, all of that 360. And also I did trim the hair. Okay, I did trim it before dipping in hot water, even though I didn't show that part. And guys, what do you all think? I love the color. I love how vibrant this hair look. I love how sleek, like, it's so sleek. Okay, it's so sleek. I'm gonna give myself that for dipping it rightly into the hot water. See, dipping hair in hot water is another science on its own. So I'll give myself my flower for doing that rightly. By the way, I spent about 8 hours on this hair. I'm not kidding, 8 fucking hours. I started in the morning, I finished at night. Anyways, one thing I love so much about braids is how versatile they are. You can style it in various forms, in various styles. As you guys can see, I styled this severally, however way I wanted, and they all turned out beautiful. Let me know in the comment section, what do you think about this hairstyle? Are you gonna be trying it out? Do you like the color? What do you think? And that brings us to the end of this video. If you enjoyed what you have seen so far, kindly give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. And until next time, see you all in my video. Bye.
Over here, I can feel you over here. You take up every corner of my